right? Why does power matter? It's a subject that has been examined in every ancient tradition possible, but it seems that we as humans still keep getting it wrong because we keep having this expectation that what we need comes from outside of us. And so I propose that we consider the possibility that all of that's going to come from inside of ourselves. And so power, we are the micro to the macro that's going on around us. And so what this means is that we're never victims to circumstance, right? Our life has never happened to us. We're not victims to circumstance. So we're not victims to circumstance. That means that we can tap into the omnipotent force of the universe at any time. We can ignite that light inside of us that I called in that opening invocation, and we can use our relationship with that to manifest our reason for coming here, to be in balance with who we are, with our family and our community, to take full ownership and full responsibility for who we are. So that's what being empowered is. That's what being empowered is. It's not that place of simply focusing on when we're positive, we can feel empowered. The idea is to be able to feel empowered even when you have hard stuff going on. How can we look at some of those truthful, hard things of life and still find our power in it? And I like to often call it make medicine out of it. How can we allow whatever has felt dysfunctional in our life to transform it from the poison that is perhaps causing our suffering into the medicine that can help with our spiritual transformation?